I will show you all the details and share my experience, discoveries and painting secrets. First secret? The final piece is not the very first I painted, but let's start from the beginning. Can we paint with balloons? What type of acrylics are the best? Balloons from Hannah's birthday gave me a huge inspiration. No wonder I was looking at them for days after the party. Actually, they're still there. So, how big the balloon should be? How much paint do we need? Let's not forget about the paint thickness, and lastly, how to load the paint. I would love you to paint with me. Promise me to try and learn 2 skills. The first one, leaves. Let's grab a page and make some strokes. Be sure to have your hand relaxed. The more strokes you will paint, the better you will get. I promise. The next stop, flowers, or should I say blobs of paint. We need to practice and perfect our imaginary flowers. Let's touch the paint with our balloon and let's stamp. You will see that each impression will get a different looking circle. It all depends from the pressure and your choice of colors. As you can see, I'm happy to just play and mix the colors. Once we have perfected our flowers and leaves, it's time to paint. I used both types of paints, heavy body and liquid, but honestly, you can use any acrylic paint you have. Start with leaves. I choose black color for a fabulous contrast and magical feel to my painting. When using black, any color of your flower head will match greatly. Remember to look at how you hold your brush, at what angle, and how much pressure you use. Once you have your leaves, paint few stems. I don't choose any water, just my black liquid acrylic. If your paint is too thick, try to dilute it with water somewhere on the side and make your paint a little bit more liquidy. Your balloon should be rather smaller than bigger. The bigger the balloon, the bigger the flowers. I decided to test out and paint few flowers on the side. This will help me not only with building confidence, but also mix up the paint nicely and see the color mixes. Bounce your balloon, tap, stamp and mix the colors, and then you will see what colors work great with each other and how different impressions you can get, especially with the color mixes. And that's very inspiring and unique. Test out the different color mixes and see which one is your absolute favorite. Keep adding paints and create different mixes of colors. Once you are happy with your color choice, color palette, start stamping on your project. Size of the circle depends from the pressure you put on the balloon. Obviously, the less pressure, the smaller the flower. The bigger pressure, the bigger flower.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm 5 and I would like to tell you something about my mom's projects. And if you practice your painting, then you'll get better from your projects to practice. And if you get better, then you can do it again.
If you think that I have perfected my painting on the very first go, then you are wrong. I have tried many techniques, and let me share honestly, it took 3 trials before I was happy with the final look of the flower. What about you? Will you give it a go? This is easier than you think. Just start. Trust the process. You will absolutely love it.
Happy painting. Bye-bye.